In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload AI songs to Distrokid. If you've created music with an AI platform and you have the right to use it commercially, you can distribute it just like any other track. The key is to move carefully, be transparent, and prepare your files correctly so your release goes live without delays. Start by confirming your AI tool's licensing. Check that your plan explicitly allows commercial use, music distribution, and monetization. Popular platforms like Suno AI, Udio, and SoundRaw offer different tiers, and paid plans usually include these rights. Take a moment to read the terms and save proof of your plan or any licenses so you can document your rights if needed. Next, export your finished song. A WAV file is recommended for the best quality, with 16-bit depth at 44.1 kHz. MP3 works too, but WAV will give you more reliable results across streaming services. Make sure your track isn't clipping and that it sounds like a final master you're comfortable sharing. Now, prepare your cover art. Create a square image in JPG or PNG format at a minimum of 1000 by 1000 pixels. Keep the design clean and legible at small sizes, and avoid anything you don't own the rights to, no copyrighted images, celebrity photos, or brand logos. Tools like Canva and Adobe Express make it easy to build polished, original artwork quickly. Head to Distrokid and log in. Click Upload, then fill in your release details. Artist name, song title, genre, and your release date. Make sure your artist name matches your existing profile exactly to keep your catalog tidy. Choosing a release date a bit in the future can give platforms time to process your track and helps you plan promotion. Upload your AI-generated audio file and your cover art. If Distrokid asks whether AI was used, answer honestly. Transparency here helps you stay compliant with store policies and avoid takedowns. Select the streaming platforms you want to distribute to. Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, TikTok, Instagram and Facebook, and Amazon Music are solid choices. If you're not restricted by any exclusivity, it's usually best to opt in everywhere. Before you submit, review everything carefully. Check spelling, capitalization, and that your metadata matches your artwork and the file you're uploading. When you're confident, click Done or Submit. Distrokid will begin processing your release and deliver it to the stores. A few final tips. Don't imitate a specific artist's voice or style too closely. Avoid any copyrighted samples or vocals. Keep proof of your AI creation process and use original branding and artwork. Follow these steps and your AI track will be set for a smooth launch.